What if I told you that America's most luxurious car isn't a high-end European import, but a homegrown masterpiece? Meet the Cadillac Celestiq, a vehicle that's not just a car, but a statement. Forget everything you thought you knew about American luxury, because Cadillac is rewriting the entire rulebook. The Celestiq is the brand's all-electric flagship, and it's unlike anything they've ever built. This isn't a mass-produced car rolling off an assembly line. Each Celestiq is hand-built, piece by piece, at a special facility in Michigan. The level of craftsmanship is just staggering. We're talking about a process that is more akin to building a private jet or a bespoke piece of art than a standard vehicle. When you first see it, the design just stops you in your tracks. It's got this incredibly long, sleek, fastback profile that harks back to the golden era of Cadillac's custom coach-built cars from the 1930s and 50s. The front grille is a spectacle in itself, intricately detailed and illuminated. And the lights, the vertical lighting signature, is pure Cadillac, but taken to a whole new level with advanced LED technology that creates a whole welcome sequence as you approach the car. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The cabin is an absolute sanctuary of luxury and technology. Dominating the dashboard is a massive 55-inch pillar-to-pillar screen. It's not just one screen, but two separate displays under a single pane of glass, so the passenger can watch a movie without distracting the driver. The materials are simply exquisite. Think hand-wrapped leather, polished metals, and sustainably harvested open-pore wood. And here's the best part, almost everything is customizable. Cadillac says there are no two Celestiqs that will be exactly alike. Each owner works directly with a concierge and the design team to personalize their vehicle, choosing from an almost infinite palette of colors and materials. Performance-wise, the Celestiq is a powerhouse. It's built on GM's Ultium electric platform, packing a 111 kilowatt-hour battery. This translates to an estimated 600 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds, and with an estimated range of 300 miles. It's not just for city cruising. It's a grand tourer in every sense of the word. The ride quality is supposed to be legendary. Thanks to Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 and an adaptive air suspension system that reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. It even has four-wheel steering, making this massive car surprisingly agile. Now, let's talk about the price, because it's a big part of the story. The Celestiq starts at around $340,000. But with all the bespoke customization options, most will easily soar past that. Yes, it's a huge price tag, but Cadillac isn't trying to compete with its usual rivals here. They're aiming higher, at the likes of Rolls-Royce and Bentley. The Celestiq is a halo car, designed to elevate the entire brand and showcase what American luxury can truly be in the 21st century. So, what does this all mean? The Celestiq is more than just an expensive EV. It's a bold declaration from Cadillac. It's a fusion of their storied past and a radical vision for the future. It proves that American craftsmanship can stand toe-to-toe with the best in the world. It's a hand-built, ultra-luxurious, high-performance electric masterpiece. Whether it succeeds in redefining the ultra-luxury market remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, the world is watching. The Cadillac Celestiq isn't just a car, it's the new American dream on wheels. Is the Celestiq the future of luxury, or is it a step too far? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look at the pinnacle of American automotive design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. See you in the next one.